So you can do your homework using the bridge if it works for you, all right? And if the bridge doesn't work, which most likely won't on the apps, you can just definitely use my technique. I actually like you better to use my technique. I think it's just much more powerful, as you can see with all the layers, because I can get rid of them as much as I want, all right? But I can make those layers a different blending mode, all right? So, see how it's changing stuff right away? And I think this is fantastic. I can just click on it, look at it, do stuff. See now, a little different, a little blue sky on it. You can definitely do a lot of things like that. So that's the way I want you to actually work. It's just much more powerful. I never use the bridge. It is too constraining and doesn't let you do whatever you want in reality. Okay, let's keep going looking at your homework though. Go through the flow of the adjustment using the raw stuff that I showed you all the options already. Okay, so do it in the camera like that or not. That's your business. Okay, go through that. You can sample basically, no problem on that. Do the color adjustment, temperatures, all those. I just show you that. So you can do it there or you can do it my way. All right. Again, I always do it my way because it's harder to recoup or to adjust properly. Okay. Now the final step is you can adjust colors by going right here. Okay. Again, I don't like to do that right here either. I think it is just much better right there. You can go into the layer system, all right, make a new adjustment, and you can go into your color balance, all right. And again, that will do the exact same thing. Actually, it's a bit better. It's got different type of system for shadows and so forth. Again, you do it wherever you want, but similar stuff. Just I think more powerful if you're directly there. Okay. Save the image when you're done. If you're doing that in the actual Photoshop bridge. Okay, you guys, you have the folders where the format you're gonna save it and so forth. All right. Convert to web profile. Okay, if you're using see that just a second. Okay, well you need to do a couple of things to finalize your work now. You need to change the size, and we'll do that image size. We'll do that twice actually, and let's go right here. So let's say you got an image and you go to image size right here. You will see your image size. Let's say you need to put it back to where it was. Let's say it was 144. All right, or 250 like your camera, for example. All right. As you can see, it's very pixelized now. When you take a small picture and make it bigger, it's a purpose for that. So now I go to the image. I go to the image size right here. Okay, and I'm gonna change my things to basically 72. All right, right here. As you can see, I'm pretty close to the size that I need. All right, so you just want to recheck the 72 right here, basically to make sure you're in 72 resolution. All right, as we said, right here. Okay, and then you click OK, and you have your pictures that went back to its proper, to whatever you were looking for. Okay, now you're gonna do that again. Now make sure that you're unchecked when you are. I apologize for that. When you get to your image size, make sure the resampling is being taken out for 72. Okay, so it doesn't resample your pictures. Okay, that's very, very, very important. Now we're gonna do some resampling after now and change the color profiles. So now basically you are gonna follow the resampling. So you go to image size, make sure you resample this time, and you go for 450. As you can see, this is connected right here, so that will change your height, so be careful. Sometimes you might want to unconnect that. Okay, and then you click OK, and that will rescale it the proper size that you were looking for, obviously. Okay, now it is important to actually convert to the proper profile. All right, so you're gonna go to convert to profile right there. Okay, and you're gonna choose the proper one for the web, which for this project is very simple. You are going to want to assign the profile that is the sRGB, that one, and basically the Adobe Relative Colorimetrics system. Okay, so really you are going to go change that when CMYK in the profile, and you're going to go to that one right here. Okay, Adobe ACB Relative Colorimetrics, you're good to go. You click OK, and that's your business to do. Okay, I'll see you next for the rest.